If you just so happen to see like
Alright,
a
boys,
piece
listen
of
up.
iron
Alpha
plate
1-2,
in front of
message
an enemy, would you use it?
Yeah, probably would.
Alright,
Get
listen
on
up.
with it.
So we're going to be heading forward to objective deep dive. Basically, what has happened is some IDAP supplies have been sunken off a boat, and we're going to be heading with Echo to this objective. When we get there, we're going to be holding security while Echo dives, grabs the shit, and gets it out there. When we get there, wait one. Alright, when we do get there, Echo's vehicle does have ammo and basic medical for us, so if you do need to get some supplies, we can, once the area is cleared. But yeah, any questions?
The fuck?
Yeah, one question, Mold.
Send.
So we're not dismounting at the dismount point, we're moving
Nope,
past
we're-
that.
Correct, we're going to push through to objective deep dive. As you can see, White Wolf has marked us the route we're going to take and where we're going to stop. So we'll assess that when we get there, what buildings and what not to take.
Have we had any recon?
We are not getting in the water.
Have we had any recon flight go over for any kind of hostiles in the area?
That's a negative. Slaughter, do you want to throw one up?
On it.
Also, you feel free to step, I think.
User in your channel timed out.
I'm high, I can use a swim.
I feel ya.
Hey, can I jump in with you guys?
No. Get walking.
Don't know.
I'm kidding. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. I don't even know who that is, so don't take it personally.
It's White Wolf.
Oh no! In that case, walk.
If you hold on really hard, you can walk alongside us.
Just follow those echo trucks, Michael.
Yeah, pretty much.
Hotel, this is Charlie. Recon, prepare to copy, over. Charlie, Recon, one stop.
Fire, just speed through.
Targets, Romeo Tango 1202, Charlie. Two stop targets, town. Over.
I think you're currently looking at it.
What was that?
Said I think you're currently looking at it. This is our top speed.
Michael, what's your speed?
I've got it set on 50.
Can you set it higher?
Travel up that speed, man.
Send it, mate.
Yeah.
Give me a sec.
I love the reload animation on this gun.
I'll still use an M4 over that fucking piece of shit.
Yeah, why are you still using that fucking thing?
Yeah, no, it's all good, bro.
This British LR, this thing's great.
I mean, I haven't gone down yet.
I wouldn't use the AUG.
Wow.
Yeah,
I got
I
shot
don't like
because I got shot because of fucking ROE. Which, by the way, I'm gonna take a talking to.
Hotel's on the way. They're near K at.
Copy.
I mean, I was standing beside Ched's, and his head got taken out. Mine didn't.
Yeah, but I had
am not
eyes
wearing
on
a
that.
fucking helmet.
I had eyes on that guy and didn't shoot because I followed ROE.
Push past, Michael.
Keep going, no, it's the speed of the Vic.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, can't climb it.
Who's driving? Mitchell? Michael, sorry?
Michael, yeah.
Wow,
Yeah,
why do people
Michael
do
just
that?
keep to the left side.
Do what?
Minimize being getting shot at.
Are we pushing past this?
Yeah, keep going, straight through. Just follow the road.
You know, for a humanitarian operation, there's fucking a lot of shooting.
I know, right?
Fucking rioters, man. They move TVs and shit.
Good luck.
Just send it right through.
Hotel, Charlie,
Little bird up there, yeah.
send.
Hold comms, hold comms.
Charlie, solid copy on that. Anytime. Thanks. Out. Get outed.
What's the situation?
Absolutely nothing of note seen. So it looks like it's empty.
Following the
But
tarmac
that's
road
from
to
the
the
air.
left.
So, you know, buildings inside. Yeah. Yeah, no.
If we can, we'll try and get a fire team on a rooftop when we get there. To give us. Why are we killing fucking?
That's the enemy, I think. It's not one of us.
God damn it. They keep killing civilians. How hard is it to put PID?
That's not us.
Yeah. Alright, keep your eyes peeled, guys.
Just tuck us in here.
This blue rooftop looks like it might be okay.
Hold.
Alright.
Yeah, I'll take blue team up there.
Blue, red on red.
Blue team on me. Get some elevation.
Is that dude just sitting there?
What do you want to do, Chaz? Do you want to do a walk through the town?
We'll just hold here for a sec. Just hold security. I'm just gonna have a look at the map.
Fucking no cover.
Alan, if I know you, you want to get on top of the building, don't you?
I do like. I wish that was red team on top of the building.
I mean, you could get on top of the red buildings.
The northern side of this road. That's really our only avenue of approach. Like, what's this area, so?
See the ocean.
I think the people just moving like potential.
It's not the best day.
Okay, there's a ladder here.
Is there a ladder?
I think I found a ladder. Yeah, so in the top floor, just in the elevator.
Oh yeah.
Talon on me.
Yep. With yep.
Alright, we're gonna set our VCP up to the north of the town. So we're just gonna sweep the buildings as we go. Just
Yep.
real soft clear.
Yep.
And we'll just go to the northern side, so take us out.
Roger. We'll just do it along the MSR.
Roger. We're starting our sweep now, Mold.
Acknowledge.
A lot of rooftops that are accessible.
Yeah, I think blue team's up on the rooftops.
That's not our gunfire, I'm hearing correct.
Negative on red.
No, it's not blue either. It's coming from the south, isn't it?
Yeah, I think so.
Recommend we use this white building or utilize it in some fashion.
Roger.
From what I remember, these ones are accessible.
We won't go to the top.
Third floor.
Yeah.
Slaughter, I'm going to be AFK for about 2 minutes, just going to grab a drink.
No problem anymore.
Yeah, we got good visibility from here.
Right. There's a ladder, but yeah, I don't want to use
Nah,
it.
nah, fuck the ladder.
Can we crack that door?
Yep, we can.
Yeah, cool.
It's not really a good spot for the MG in here. I'll see if the level down has anything maybe.
He can hold here and I can go a level down.
Yep, either or. I'm happy with both.
Guns coming in, guns coming in.
Direction?
120 in the bay. Get on the ground floor and get your fucking rocket out.
They're down. Another one, another one.
It's too close to fire, Matt.
They're
down.
They're down.
Cool. Thought there was a fucking Navy SEAL coming in.
Yeah, maybe we'll just
Got another
hold
one
here,
coming
see
in
the
from the
position.
first
Do not
boat.
fire on first boat. They're good.
Oh, that's Osprey, yeah.
Get up, bet. Just keep watching down that northeast road, bro. Tell us if you need anything.
You guys alright out there, Cheds?
Yeah, mate, we're good.
Lobo, I don't see you.
Yeah, I'm 2 buildings over now, but yeah, I'll go Overwatch on red.
Okay, no, I see you now. Yeah, that's cool.
Surprised you guys were able to get on top of the red buildings.
Just that good.
The elevator shaft actually has a ladder that goes all the way up to the ground floor.
Sounds like some of you guys have played DayZ before.
Armor 2 even.
Can you even pick up a copy of Arma 2?
Say again?
Can you buy a copy of Arma 2? Like, oh, fuck.
Yeah, it's on Steam.
What about the original? I played the original, man.
Yeah, I got that.
I'm pretty sure
when
you
it
can
first
pick them
came
all
out.
up.
You won't be able to run in it. It's whole comms.
Did he just hold comms himself?
Yeah.
You ready to move, boy?
We're just holding here for now, I think, whilst we're waiting for orders. I'm gonna call us in a op-dem.
possible audible on a Vic from the northeast. Technical coming down the road.
Eyes on.
Yeah, eyes on.
Eyes on. Get ready, Talon, it's moving.
Cloud ran into Reading.
What do you might get? He's down.
You guys good?
Yep. He took a lot of bullets to die, that guy.
I sure did.
Next, this ROE thing's killing me.
Good shot, bet.
Yes.
All good, bro.
Mold's happy, he just outed Pronto.
Nice.
I got orders coming in, so try and keep comms clear.
With Talon.
Yo.
You see another, have you got a light rocket?
Yes.
Yeah, if you see another one of those, like exactly the same, you're cleared, hold on it.
The only problem with it is this ROE kind of makes it that I can't really hit them until they get...
As in, if you see it, and it looks exactly like that, and they're dressed the same, you can shoot them from wherever. I don't care if you fire first.
Done. Say less.
Who the fucking guys?
Jump off the roof, Sharkbait. We're gonna move. Let's move back to blue. What's that Vic doing behind Victor?
Dunno.
Let's go, Sharkbait. Coming.
That civilian just commandeered arms technical.
Alright guys, listen up. Our next objective, we're going to be pushing from here north. Once the convoy passes us, we're going to tag on the end, and then from there, we're going to be clearing the East Point port. So we've been chucked with PHQ for this one, and we are going to be clearing the southern side of the port. Any questions? Opdam is inbound, still.
Did we stop the car? Stop
if there's any enemy force in the area? I think I missed that.
Yeah, so the sunken,
You've got a techie, break. You got a techie coming towards you with a civ unit.
He's dead. I mean, he fired first.
Disregard.
Talon, did you shoot him?
I mean, it didn't come up saying fucking civvy killed, so we'll take that as a W.
Jed's hit him with a very fucking good.
Alright, let's get some medical attention on him then. Yeah, so these people we're going to eliminate are the ones responsible for sinking this boat that we've just cleared.
I've got a zero-way.
So yeah.
Project.
Just search the vehicle.
Just drive that fucker into the water. There's our Opdam coming in. Shark Bay, do you want to help with the Opdams?
Yeah, go help. Grab them out of the fucking truck.
Hello. What's the thing for this? Oh, there it is.
This should be stable.
Has he got a heart rate?
Yeah.
It's just not happening.
Handrail.
You want to search him?
Wait, was there an ammo crate with that?
Negative, doesn't appear so.
Good job, Silo, you've just fucked me.
There's no ammo crate near. Who was asking?
Someone the civvy is stable, back to conscious, is detained. Oh no!
Hey, found an ammo crate, guys.
Are you right, Assassin?
Oh,
We just lost the ammo crate.
That would explain it. Aqua had a fun problem.
thank you, Slaughter.
You're welcome. Assumed you would need the heli, you would be able to hear. Yeah, they're coming pretty soon, so we're going to just tackle on the end with them. Looks like you're getting a bus with us, Assassin. That was a mouthful.
You got a gun with you?
Yeah, I do.
Oh, there you go. It's perfect.
Dope.
Grab my fucking pulse oxy.
You could probably Zeus. Yeah, you get you. Hey, look at that.
Is this the guy who blew through our checkpoint?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do with him what you will.
I will need a backload for one times as well for this guy.
Oh, hey, look, a helicopter just appeared.
Actually, we could probably just take him with us and then drop him off the Echo.
Chuck him in the helicopter.
Jump.
Crate glitched out. While Opdamming.
Good man.
All I know is like I'm driving down the road. I'm like, oh yeah, you and fucking assassin here, and then I hear an explosion. I'm like, that's exactly where I'm driving. And I see a flaming wreck. I'm like, what happened?
We got your company for the ride back, Assassin.
Yay, I'm not too lonely.
Thanks, my friend.
Are you getting Zeus to drop me on the ammo crate mob?
I thought you were doing that.
No, I need 556, but for the org specifically.
We're getting a crate in from Zeus.
God.
Yes.
Good old God, always there to save the day.
I don't need any of this shit. I don't get shot at.
Did you shoot that guy, or did I hit him with a 40 mic?
What answer do you want to hear here?
Well, I was just curious because he wasn't damaged at all. So I was
crashed into the
curious.
fence. I saw it.
Yeah, alright, we'll go with that. He crashed into the fence.
All right, okay, yep.
That's right.
Yeah.
As far as anyone knows.
That's what's going in the...
I had a beanbag round in the 40 mic, bro. I thought I hit him. I was like, damn. Fucking crack.
If he did, that was a fucking 1 in a million
Alright,
shot.
everyone get your medical stuff and we'll get in the vehicle ready to leave. Ammo crate is coming at some point.
Do you want us to load these into our truck as
Yeah,
well,
take
Mol?
these with us.
Yep.
Are we done with the... Let me know when you're done and I'll take one.
I'm only slightly browner than before, not black.
Phrasing.
Alright, everyone load in. We'll push to the northern side of this town. Oh, Jesus.
Help.
Michael's down.
Just keep those crates away from the fucking Vic. Just leave them here.
Yeah, just leave.
I'm not touching those things anymore. Oh, God.
Oh. I'm not as good either as I was before.
So what
What
takes
did
out
we just
Charlie?
say?
I didn't touch it. I put it down and the whole thing exploded.
God fucking damn it.
Sunray, this is
Project.
Charlie, negative. God has sorted it over.
I put the thing down. That was it.
Well, I'm gonna go get us.
Who knew there was an IED in the medical supplies?
Look,
In the car.
Alright, everyone in.
we're just gonna leave that. I know it's not exactly great,
Fuck
but
that
we'll just
shit.
leave it. Why am I
Someone gets
here?
extra bed.
How the fuck, bro?
Infinity morphine for everyone.
Pick up supply crates anyway, boys.
I'm running on slow.
It's my first day, Thomas.
Everyone in?
No, I can't figure out how to get in a dumb car.
Get in the Vic.
Wait, where's
Ace
Talon?
Interact, you fucking idiot.
Talon.
I'm
Talon.
getting in the truck,
Talon.
alright? I'm in.
Talon.
Oh, what? I'm in. See what they... Thomas, I want to lodge a report that they're bullying me.
Last man.
Alright, step
figured
to
you'd
the northern
care
side
that
of the
much.
town, Michael, and then we'll park and wait for
Thank you.
the
love
rest of the
you,
convoy.
Sort of.
Do not run Thomas over.
And stay
Pl-
away from the crate.
That was good. That was a good shot with the 40 mic, Jez. That was great.
Sunray, this is Charlie. AFM, we're waiting in the northern side of the town.
Is that an ammo crate?
Sorry, acknowledge tag on behind PHQ as Bravo's lagging a little bit behind, so they should be ready.
We are about to step. Just
hold Michael.
Here they come.
I think.
Look at this. Alright, go. Send.
Sorry, bro. I thought you were gonna fucking like just slam into the side of them. I was like, Jesus. You're cracked tonight. Too bad.
Try and get towed by PHQ, we'll be fine. God fucking damn it. Of course there's a fucking ammo crate there as we go.
That's fine. You got a shotgun as well.
I've got 2 mags worth of slugs for the shotgun. That's it.
Better stop, Michael.
I see you got a taser on your head.
Ah yes, that's gonna do so much damage. What? I'm staying in the
Whoa, whoa, here's
Michael, pull over. Pull over.
Okay, can we get that fucking op down now, please?
I'm going away from
For ammo.
the keyboard really quickly. I'll be right back. Going to Little Soldiers.
Upset security, get ready to move.
Can I...
Have they given us a medical tank?
What if I found you a different gun, Project? Would that do?
No, I want to use my fucking EF88.
Oh, well, if you're gonna be that difficult.
The arrows, the line of departure.
Arrows.
It'd be nice if the Echo Oh!
Ammo crates on me and Project.
Thank you!
Alright, once you're set, let's get ready to move.
Blue on left.
Yeah, we're moving Arrowhead. We want to be in like. I'm back.
We're gonna go far east of everyone.
Yep, we're just lining up the park and waiting for the orders to make 2 arrows.
Copy that.
2 the arrow.
Hi guys.
Where are we there?
Oh, pretty good. How are you?
Is that arrow?
Alright, once you guys are here, set up, we'll get an extended line going and push forward in that formation. Alright, we're free to push forward. Let's go combat pace. Be warned, there is sporadic contact in the woods.
What formation you want in, Bob?
Extended line, please. Project, how you getting on? Trying to find you guys. Push east, and we're starting to push north towards our arrow. Eyes on the moving white dot. I'm with these.
Hotel's reporting a couple of towers on the AO. They're unknown if they're manned or not. Correction, manned, unknown if they're armed men.
Copy that. Alright, hold here, I think.
APC on the main road.
The tower is armed to the north.
Copy that. Also reports of APC on the road. Keep pushing forward slowly.
We're smashing into Bravo here.
Yep, let's just keep to the east.
User in your channel timed out.
Multiple contacts on the roof, 330.
Right, don't push forward.
Do you hear that one, Walt?
Yes, I was waiting for others to acknowledge first, but... Just hold positions for now, guys. Dude on the right hand side of the wall.
got a friendly down at that wall mob.
Do we?
There's a friendly that's just gone down on the wall.
Was it the one did I shoot him?
I haven't noticed either.
I'm moving in.
Red team, move up to the wall.
Cheds, I'm gonna go around the right where that guy was.
Roger.
Blue team's moving now.
Alan, I'm with you.
10-4. Watch these buildings, I think they've got occupants.
The team on me, we're pushing in deeper.
North.
We got one in this building. Alright, flash going in. Pushing. It's clear.
Let's keep moving north.
Contact left side, 330, other side of the white and red building.
Actually, blue team, let's cover all these buildings here. These red and white ones.
There's a dude in that big building.
He's down.
In that hangar. Warehouse.
Copy that.
That was great. What do you...
Pushing.
Yeah, you guys can go.
Multi.
Let me crossing. Trying to cross.
How you doing, Mob?
Taking shots as well. I don't know where from.
Pushing past.
Just getting a 20k on. I'll be with you in a sec.
Got Michael down on me.
Down on me.
Project, how you doing?
Just trading 6 at the moment.
With you, big dog.
Pushing past. Watch the left.
Chance, I'm just doing medical.
Roger. Alright, pull back here.
Yep.
Did you get that, Slaughter?
Say again?
So once that building's clear, we're going to push to the northern stop. Oh, I'm getting fucking lit up. There's a dude inside that big building.
He's down.
I might need medical attention.
What's your location?
Right hand side of the here.
Yeah, see me.
Right side of the here. That tells me so
Of the
much.
chair.
Tell.
If you push up north, just north of the Charlie PHQ marker on map.
Fuck's sake.
I might go down here.
If he does, someone get on his head down.
Yeah. Project, send us the CCP. I got one casualty on me as well.
Can't fucking see shit in here.
Roger. We'll clear the right. I've got a friendly on the left.
10-4. Fuck. Clearing, breaching. First one's clear.
Project, where are you? Are you with Mold?
I'm with Mulder and he's fatal. Throwing.
Alright, we're gonna move Michael to you.
Yeah, I'll put a Charlie CCP marker down.
Right on the left. When you open, I'm just checking the left side.
Right.
You look good.
Stairs are causing me havoc.
Yeah, I know. Frames are fucked in here as well. Left is good.
Good. Ready?
Yep. Yeah, left is good.
All clear. We should search for laptops and shit like that.
Yeah, have a quick look around. I got an office down here, pal. So I can
Come with you.
down here.
Come with you.
Is that a friendly? You see this guy at the end?
Yeah, I do. Pull to the right. Got laptops and shit here, Chads.
Roger, have a ground.
Oh, we got an intelligence sensor on us in this big building.
Oh yeah, we got intel in here for sure. I can hack this.
I don't have a hacking device or PDA on me.
I'm just hacking it.
Alright, I'm just gonna hold you.
You're in charge, you're the medic.
Slaughter, Chads and I found intel in the office in the big warehouse building.
Roger that. If you've got a PDA, attempt to download, otherwise get back to our call sign, the CCP. We've got multiple contacts over. Multiple wounded.
Chads is currently hacking it. I'm just going to provide security for him. Take it around, hang on. I'm good. Are you good?
Yeah, I'm good. Alright, we got it.
I'm just bandaging my chest. Sorry, I'm in the doorway.
Oh, you're good.
Yep, I'm good. Alright. Oh shit. No, fuck this. Let's go all the way back around. I don't want to run through the kill house.
Yeah, roger.
What's happening here? PDA with a fucking screen on it? Chets. Can you hack this? PDA on the desk.
Oh, I can.
This one does. Apex does.
Hacking now.
Do you want me to let Slaughter know that we found intel and took... Oh no, fuck it, you guys can do that.
No, it's alright. Switch that to right hand side, I'm gonna watch the left.
Yep. Just popping a painkiller.
Roger.
Way to our location.
Roger that.
Alright, we're good.
Alright, let's get far
Wait.
away.
Am I fucked? Oh, it's my leg. I'm slow, so just bear with me.
Disregard Michael's
Wait,
got a heart rate.
a minute.
Holy
fuck.
Come on, Lobo.
They're all
You
dead.
are
Where are my
gonna be
boys?
alright. Is every little thing is gonna
Project,
be
can I help in
alright.
any way?
If you can monitor Mike Man
You mean Michael?
Hi kids. What's going on, man?
It appears they are dead.
I'm removing the tourniquet, getting a thing on intrusion.
Alpha medic, do you need help? You need help.
I need someone to perform CPR.
CPR res.
Yes.
Yes.
Which one's res?
Behind.
Res is to the west side in recovery position.
Arrow's front. I just disconnected.
Great.
Let's shoot a single fucking shot.
Why can I hear everyone that's unconscious?
Fallon.
Yell.
Can you do CPR and res, please?
Yeah. Michael looks good.
Okay. What I'll do is I'll come over here.
Mate, what happened?
What do you mean? I'm just helping project out the CCP.
Huh?
User in your channel timed out.
I got one here with no heart rate. I'm gonna move the wounded out of there when I'm completed.
Yeah, just wait, get the weapon. Michael's fine where he is. I'm gonna have to get him up. 500.
Performing CPR and shockwave.
Italian in a handbrake.
Let me check.
I'll be the M. You CPR, I'll manage the airway.
Alright, sure.
So this man's getting a bit of saying just to tip top him up.
Oh, just a tip top. I didn't realise we were here, cheese.
How's your day going, Stuart?
Yeah, it's alright. This is the most section.
How's his airways?
Yeah, they're clear.
Just extending his head, I'm just gonna check him down.
He just needs a slap.
Yeah. Welcome back.
It's just his blood.
Medicated obsession included.
Yeah, he just needs fluids.
Yep.
I'm gonna start bandaging his legs.
Oh, he's got a heart rate.
He does.
Fluids.
What's his, you got a SATS probe on?
No.
A SATS probe on?
Establishing recovery.
Negative.
Oh, wait,
I
no,
don't-
never mind, he's got flares.
I'll start stitching his legs.
I got his arm.
I'll bandage up one of his arms and stitch it so I can get a SATS probe on.
Yeah. I'm just gonna do his legs, and then I will have to nick off.
Osprey, he has a heart rate.
His head.
Just needs some recovery position action.
There he is.
Fucking well done.
Severe pain.
Plonk.
Well done.
He'll survive.
Cool. He's good for now.
From established left arm.
109.
Right, Logo, I just gave you a little thing. Take those tourniquets if you want extra.
Whoa, what the fuck?
Whoa!
Fucking move around.
Lean into Apex. Raz, when you get a sec, can I get about 5, business.
Box. To my understanding from
I need
once you press on the ground,
500 to 1,000 blood through left arm.
southeast part of the port has been secured at this point in time. Unsure of.
Lobo, you're good?
Oh, good, bro.
Mold, I don't know if you were
Thomas, I
down.
swear to God, you
I don't know if you were down at the time, but we found intel in that building.
Oh, did you?
Yeah, 2 lots.
Yeah, I think that'd be
check that fracture.
2 different goals.
Jeds, you obviously got that intel.
Hello, but the corporal of Mike is back at it again.
Do you want me to send him through, or?
Yes.
I'm gonna start taking off his tourniquets to ease the pain.
Head turning. Yeah, remove the tourniquets. What's the left bandage?
Yeah, for 5, once you try to do locked in intel over and then passing up shortly.
Okay, I was about to establish fucking
Sunray, this is Charlie Martin.
recovery, but that's fine. Wait, still needs recovery.
Charlie, be advised we have recovered 2 different types of intel inside the main hangar. Can send through. Seems to be encrypted though. Over.
Summary acknowledged. I'm on antenna now. Should be clear to send through when ready. Over.
We will get them up.
Dragons,